Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on www.coin.com. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for www.coin. Now you can use www.coin.com extension, or you can even just come on the parent domain, that is www.coin.cash, and you just have to simply provide your login credentials and you need to log in into your account. Now if you want to trade at www.coin, you just have to deposit the money and you can start trading on it, but you need to verify your identity before actually you withdrawing the money from www.coin. Let me show you how you can basically do it. So once you tap on the dashboard option, you will be landed on this page where it will say that we kindly request your KYC information to proceed with the certain actions on your account. So here you need to click here to verify. Then you will be landed on this page, which is basically your KYC form. Over here you will have to provide your first name, then you need to provide your ID number, and after that you need to select your gender. Then you will have to just upload that photo of that particular ID which you want to use on this platform in order to verify your identity. So you just have to simply choose that from your PC or from your phone or from your gallery, and after filling these details you need to press the submit option. Now within 24 hours your identity is going to be verified and you can start using and withdrawing your money from www.coin after just verifying your identity and completing these steps. Now if you face any kind of problems while verifying your identity, you can even contact to their customer support team as well, and you will find that option here on the home page. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.